Let's now listen to Rotimi Fakayijo. He is the CEO, Enterprise Stockbroking Firm. Good morning, Rotimi.
Good morning, Balaji.
Thank you for joining us on the program. We saw the numbers yesterday.
Yeah, the closing number yesterday was
quite impressive. Could you just run through them for us and tell us why they are the way they were?
Well, I think for the gainers yesterday, we saw stocks that actually that have high capitalization being the major gainers yesterday. I think substantially that is in Nestle Foods PLC. And on the flip side, Guinness, we saw it losing about 6 naira. And I think because of the shares issue of that particular stock and the quantum of naira lost yesterday by that stock, is not really so significant to affect the extent to which the gainers affected the market. So we saw a very huge gain coming from Nestle Foods, and that added more than 40 billion naira to the market capitalization, and a host of other stocks that were on the gainers chart. For that yesterday, I think for the way it turned out, we believe strongly that at least that should set a good pace for better things to happen this week. And the torrent of results we get getting, like I said yesterday, some of them are mixed and some of them are not too impressive. But I think for one that we've seen closely today, International Dairy PLC, I think to an extent is turning out to be a very good one. They are growing their top line by about 39.49%. That is moving from 6.181 billion naira to 8.62 billion naira. And I think the profit after tax also grew by about 20.91%, moving from 900 million to over almost 1.1 billion. And I think these are the things that are actually moving the market really. And I believe that the trend will continue. Although at the same time we saw the result of Japan also being released, but that one wasn't impressive at all. And I don't think even if Japan should lose 20, the price that it is now, it can't lose further. So we can't see any form of reaction coming on that. If the result had been very positive, then it could have made a difference because the share is trading at past value. So I think we're still expecting more other results. And I think before the close of business today, we're going to see more results coming. And as positive as these results may be, they are definitely going to dictate the pace of how the market is going to compete for today and for the week.
Okay, we saw the big gainers yesterday, Nestle and Forty Oil. What factors are driving these numbers?
Well, I think from Nestle Foods, we've seen the results as being very attractive to investors, and more so, Nestle Foods is a stock in its own class. Trading at over 1,100 naira compared to any other stock in that same sector. And we are looking at it in terms of profitability. It's not as profitable as Dangote Cement, and yet there's a wide disparity. And the major reason for that is that we have about 755 million shares of Nestle Food in issue, and about 17.1 billion shares of Dangote Cement in issue. These are some of the things that actually affect price. So for the few fruits of Nestle Foods that we have available in the market, a lot of people are still interested in it, and majorly portfolio investors are interested in holding on to that stock and making and using it to balance their portfolio. So we may not really see a substantial drop in that stock. Even if it does, like when it dropped from 1,000 to almost 610, we saw it going back quickly to what it was. And I think the trend is going to continue. And a lot of market analysts are still of the opinion that there's still going to be a time that Nestle Food shares will be trading at about 1,500 naira. And that may happen if, per adventure, they decide to issue a bonus at the end of the financial year 2013, when they release their results for the financial year 2013. So I think a lot of things are going to be in play. And for Forty Oil, we saw the result has been very good as well. And also, there is a lot of, they've not paid dividend for quite a while. And the good managing director of that company has already given his word that they're going to pay dividend this time around. So a lot of people are keen to that, and that they're having such a high expectation. So these are some of the things that are actually driving the movement of prices and also the volume that we are seeing presently.
All right, Rotimi, I think I have to leave it at that. I do not have much time to ask you other questions. Thank you for your time with us on the program.
Thank you.
And that was Rotimi Fakayejo, the CEO, Enterprise Stockbroking Limited, giving us some of the news behind the numbers that we saw at the end of trading yesterday at the Nigerian Stock Exchange.